that daddy thing he said, right? You know, that's what I'm talking about. So yeah, and I've known Mo a lot longer than you have, and Mo is, he's always made it real clear what he likes. Well, I always thought, someday you're going to get in trouble, be careful, and I told him that. Well, guess what? Now he's in trouble.
I talked to his girlfriend. It was a sting based out of Pierce County.
See? I heard you. Nomad, I heard you. We're waving.
Oh, I'm sure it was a sting. Because the state patrol, it would have been county deputies arresting him. It was the state patrol that got him. That has sting written all over it.
Yep, it sure does, and Mo, by his own admittance, on the radio that day for half an hour, took us all to another channel and told us what he likes to do, and he said, I'm a predator, blah, blah, blah. I thought, what the fuck? He admitted that. He said that right on the air. I have it written down now. It's in the book. That's why I made the book. On the radio, and always have since the day I turned it on the first time in 1978. It just gets better and better and better.
Just kind of got to say you saw it coming. I mean, I've known the guy's the one that got me turned on the radios. I didn't even know anything about radios until I got a hold of Mo. But shit, I wouldn't leave him alone with my kids for a second.
Well, and he'd probably tell you that.
Oh yeah, I would never trust him around any of my if I had a daughter, no, you're never gonna meet that guy.
Old enough to be old enough for me? No, that ain't low. I don't think he'd go that low.
I don't give a shit. It's just, I always felt that way about him. That's just how it is.
No, hey, you have every right to be that way. He is a little bit, he's a different dude, for sure.
Yeah, I'm just gonna say it doesn't surprise me at all that he got mixed up in something like this. It doesn't surprise me at all. Just the games he plays. I didn't necessarily see it coming, but it doesn't surprise me.
Well, yeah. How long can you actually be out there online stalking young people and not run into trouble somewhere in the course of that? So if I was him right now, I'd be scared shitless. He's looking at some serious fucking prison time, and he's gonna get put on a list.
I wonder if that swastika tattoo will agitate anyone in prison.
Registered, but I don't know. He'll probably get a little bit of time and some probation. He'll have to deal with being a registered sex offender the rest of his life.
I wonder if that cool tattoo of his is going to get him any attention in prison.
I doubt it. Nothing good could ever come from that, but it might carry him through, too, so prison's a weird place. I wouldn't want to be there, and if you gotta be there, boy, you better be a big fucker if you're in prison, so you can protect yourself.
Well, I got a buddy that's a sheriff, and we talked last night, and it's the cash bond amount that's tells some of the story. I mean, you can get vehicular homicide and get $500,000 cash bail.
Yeah, they're trying to keep him. That's the whole point, I believe, Vader. I agree with you there. And I have a friend that also is a sheriff that actually knows him personally, and I'll be showing him what Beavis sent me later on this afternoon. He's not here right now. They're out looking for some prospective gold land or something like that, but when he gets back, I'll show it to him. He's going to look at me and tell me, told you.
Is he at Thurston County?
Grays Harbor.
Okay, yeah, Tim. Hey, I'm telling you, I got a buddy that's Thurston County Sheriff, and he had a CB for all of 2 weeks. And I told him last night that something happened to a friend of mine, told him what the charges were, and he said immediately, was it Mo?
Yeah, see, you can't, Mo should have probably never had that conversation he had about 3 weeks ago on the radio, because we're having it now, and this is the result.
Oh, fuck, my buddy's the sheriff, man. He talked to Mo twice in his life on the radio for 30 seconds, and he had already picked it out. I mean, I'm sorry, that's just kind of the picture you painted for everybody.
Same thing happened to me while I was writing it down in my book. I'm like, Mo said, blah, 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 you gotta be kidding. I'm writing it down, and I'm looking at it right now, the day that it happened, and I'm going, no way. Well, I don't know, maybe this is a full circle thing for Mo.
It is for sure. That's for sure. Things come back around. I don't know the CB radio is gonna let this one go for a while either.
No, it won't. The CB radio is a brutal place here.